explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, food category, and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. There is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating this online that are given by players to their players. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it,